In today's video, I'll show you how to update your signature on DocuSign, even after signing. Digital signatures are an efficient way to sign contracts, agreements, or important documents, and sometimes you need to make changes to ensure everything is accurate. First, open the signing link you received. This link takes you directly to the document that requires your signature. Once there, locate the signature field where your original signature is placed. Click on the signature field and you'll see an option to edit Srupa, often represented by a pencil or change icon. Clicking this allows you to modify your signature. Now you can update your signature in several ways. Draw it using your cursor, type it and select a style, or upload an image of your new signature. Take your time to make sure it looks exactly how you want it. Once you're satisfied, click Adopt and Sign. This saves your updated signature and applies it to the document. And that's it. Your digital signature has been successfully updated. Always double check the final document to ensure everything looks correct before submitting or sharing it. Updating your signature in DocuSign keeps your workflow smooth, professional, and error-free.